Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the twist out that I did the other day. I had just scrunched it up in like a puff ball, and I used like one of those stretchy bands. I gotta get it loose. One of those stretchy bands that you could purchase from like Family Dollar, Walmart. You know them little hair bands that's like this. I cut it like that, and then I'll say that for another video. But this is how that is. And I wanted to... Sorry guys if you heard screaming in the background. Josie and Zari is playing in their room, and I'm in the other room. So today I wanted to try that, it's like a bang, a curly bang with the poof up like this, with the rest kind of falling like this. I never wore that style before, and I want to try it out. So let's get started. And today I got my wide tooth comb, y'all. So I'm so out of breath because I literally had to go out there to tell them to stop making so much doggone noise. I'm trying to record. Alright, so I'm gonna try to not comb up some of the curls. So let me make sure it's even. Going across. It ain't gotta be perfect. Okay. So I'm gonna put this part back up like that. I kind of want it to sit high though, like really high. So, and what I do is wrap it around like this and then tie it like that. Oh, God dang it. Wrap it around like this, right? And then tie it. And as you pull, you want to lift. But you want to be careful not to tie up. Not to like pull strands of your hair. See, that's cute already. So we're going to do that. And then just tie it in like a little bow in the back. And then tuck it. I hope y'all can see me. And then tuck it like that. Okay? So we got that out the way. So with this part, I'm just going to comb it out from the bottom to the top like so. Okay? And then the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to try to flat twist it. Flat two-strand twist. I think that's what they call it. I don't know, y'all. I'm still learning. Flat twist it. Going across. And like I said before, I'm not going to do the parts too thick like I did last time. Or it won't. Sorry. Or it won't. Or it won't dry properly. Okay. And my eyes is red because I had like this concealer stuff on my eyes and I was just rubbing my eyes, y'all. So excuse my eyes. Alright. And I had my contacts in. Okay, so I'm using this spray bottle that I used the other day with this as well. So I'm gonna use some of this again. A little bit more water. And then I'm gonna take two pieces, okay? I'm gonna part it like this. Take two pieces and pull as I go. Just like French braid. Pull as I go, twist. I hope y'all can see it. Pull as I go, twist. Pull as I go, twist. Pull. And voila. And just keep twisting. Don't do that. Don't do what I just did. And then at the bottom, of course, just do the little rink-a-dink. And boom. Then I'm gonna part another section and do the same thing. I ain't even gonna mess with the baby hair. I'm gonna just leave it just in case I wanna pull it up in a couple of days again. So I'm gonna spray my hands again with the spray bottle, a little bit of water. A little bit more water. Not too much, because like I said, I don't like when I get a lot of shrinkage. Got this much. Rub it in both hands. And I'm making sure I'm putting it on all the pieces. Oh, that look pretty. Look how pretty that is. Maybe one day I'll do like a, I don't know. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. I parted it, twist, grab, twist, grab, twist, grab, twist, grab, and go all the way down to the flow. All the way down to the flow. All right, I feel like I need to wet this some more. And the reason I wanted to do it this way is so that when I take it down, the hair is going downward more versus the twist. Next time I'm gonna do it with like just the 2-strand twist and not the flat twist to see how that go. But I feel like when you do it like this, it lays better, in my opinion. Or I could just be assuming. I don't know, because it's my first time doing it, but I'm just assuming. Let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna just do like 4 twists in the front. And it's gonna be a fast video. This is just like a hairstyle, a simple hairstyle you can do when your twist out, you know, start looking a little frizzed up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put some throughout the hair. Part it again. I used to like, I don't know, dread doing my natural hair, but it's not as bad. Like I literally used to dread doing my natural hair. Like I would keep it braided up all the time underneath wigs and stuff like that. Don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna wear my wigs, okay? But I used to dread doing my natural hair because I always felt like it's so much maintenance. But honestly, when you use the right products, you're good to go. You can't go wrong for real. And I feel like it don't really matter what texture you have, whether it's fine, thick, as long as you use the right products and have the right hair tools. This or a denim brush that I used in my other video, as long as you comb it properly and stuff like that, I feel like it's not that bad. It can be a process sometimes, but I feel like the more you do it, the more you'll get used to it and learn how to maintain your hair and stuff. Comment below what type of products you use and what product works best for your hair. Because I do want to try like, I feel like this was supposed to be up. I do want to try like different products and stuff like that. Definitely do. And that was, and even if you want like smaller curls, you can do more twists than this. But I feel like these pretty small for a bang because it's literally just a bang. So I got my 4 twists in the front, and then I will be back and I'm gonna sit under the dryer. I don't know for how long. I'll time myself this time so I can let y'all know how long I sat under for these 4 twists. And I feel like, is this even? Okay, it's good enough. It's not, I could just pull it up. But I'll see how long it takes and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back and my hair is done drying, it feels like. So I've been under the dryer for about 20 minutes. So we are going to start unraveling. Oh, I tried to untwist it as if I did a 2-strand twist and forgot, completely forgot I did a flat twist. So we gonna unravel it. Okay. Twist it slowly. You want to be careful so you don't make it frizz out. I am learning that. Ooh, see what I did right there? That's what I mean. Be careful. Be careful, girls. Okay. Then we gonna do this one. I feel like I'm about to really like it. Okay, okay. This is the last one. And my hair, like, when I use this stuff, it's like super soft. And not so dry, which I like. Because I wasn't taking care of my hair properly before. I was not putting oils, conditioning, hair lotion, all that good stuff. I was not doing none of that at all. Okay. So, I'm going to see what I got to untwist a little more. And then I'm going to start kind of separating them a little bit. I don't think it need too much separating though. Sorry, y'all, because Josie want to keep being extra. Okay. Okay, so okay. I feel like something ain't right. Something ain't right about this. I don't know. Should I go? Okay. 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 I feel like I want this up more. Like that. And then I feel like, I keep saying I feel like. Okay. Okay. Is it supposed to be like a faux hawk or something? That's what I was attempting. Okay, so I think I like this better. Okay, yeah. So I think I like it like this. Yeah. I like it this versus going up because I feel like if I had some bobby pins to lay it flat, but I still don't think I would like it even if it's flat. But I do like this and how this turned out. This is like a side view and I think that's really cute. Let me go like this so I can get a thumbnail. Hold on. And then this side, hold on, tuck that. But I think this is a cute, simple, and fast hairstyle that you can do on like one of your old twist outs that you did. Pull it up and just pull some to hang in the front. I think it turned out cute or whatever. But I do like it. This is the bag. Okay, I'm doing too much. All right, ignore that. I'm doing too much. But yeah, this cute. This cute. Oh, I think I messed up my eyebrows some. But yeah, this cute. Okay. Cute little classy, natural. Classy, but a little sassy. But no, this is really cute. I do like it. It turned out cute. So yeah, this is a simple and fast hairstyle that you can do on a old twist out or braid out. And you could just touch up the front a little bit. Sit under the dryer. I literally sat under the dryer for like 25 minutes, I think. Yeah, 25 minutes and unraveled it. And voila. Oh, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun doing it. It is cute. I'm gonna put my little bonnet on so in the morning I can just go. I ain't gotta do my hair, do what I gotta do, and just go. And it's cute. I like this color on me. I really do. But I think I might not have to color it. But it's one hairstyle I'm trying to get. I might not have to. I might not have to. We gonna see. But thank you guys for watching this video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Let's get on the road to 500, then 600, then 1,000. Yep, I'm skipping 700. I'm skipping 700, 800, 900, and I'm going straight to 1,000. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.